The reason why I'm encouraging you to run Rust is because the future of this technology lies on what we call decentralized physical infrastructure networks, which then you can develop it by using Rust. On many blockchains, the people use Rust to develop these applications. Yeah, maybe if, for example, you want to secure these assets, because I told you you can have digital assets or physical assets. For example, if you want to decentralize everything, you need to, for example, in Japan, they have decentralized application on solar systems, these solar panels. So, for example, people can share the tokens of these solar panel powers. So you can understand that this application is fully decentralized, but on physical infrastructures. So they are accessing the power of solar panels. So it is again a decentralized physical infrastructure network.